Good morning friends, my name is Kalyani Tarte and today's topic is central dogma of life, that is DNA is the genetic material within the nucleus. Then the replication creates new copies of DNA. Transcription creates on RNA using DNA information. Translation creates a protein using RNA information. Replication means it is a semi-conservative process in which each early newly synthesized molecule contains one parent template and standard and one new daughter template. Then transcription is the process. It is the mechanism by which a template strand of DNA is utilized by specific RNA polymerase and to generate one of the four different types of RNA. Then types of RNA, that is mRNA, tRNA and rRNA. Then DNA is used as a template for the creation of RNA using RNA polymerase. The new RNA molecule is formed by the incorporating nucleotide that are complementary to the template strand. Then initiation of transcription, that is transcription begins at the third end of the gene in the region called promoter. Promoter recruits Tata protein, a DNA binding protein, which in turn recruits other proteins. Then codon. Codon is a triplet of adjacent nucleotides and mRNA chain that codes for specific amino acid in synthesis of protein molecule. Each carbon corresponds to a single amino acid and the full set of codons in the genetic code. The genetic code is the all organisms use the same 20 amino acids. Each carbon spaces a particular amino acids. Then translation is the protein synthesis and the process is reading the RNA segment of an mRNA, creating the amino acid sequence of a protein. Then mutation, normally the genetic code is translated and the corresponding protein is formed for a long chain of amino acid. Then translation of codons is depend on the reading frame or grouping of codons in a gene transcript. Then any change in nucleoside sequence of DNA, it may involve large section of chromosomes or single base pairs. Then mutations can change the reading frame of a gene transcript. Then changes in one or four few bases is point mutation. Types is the substitution or insertion or detection. Then deletion or insertion mutations are the most disruptive because they are reading for frames, then causing frame shift. Substitution mutation have varied impact on amino acid sequences. What causes mutation? Error in DNA replication, then chromosome crossover in error. Then translation players consist of mRNA, tRNA, mutagens and ribosomes. Then mRNA is the synthesis in transcription composed of codons. Codons are 3 base sequence of mRNA. Then first one is a RNA and DNA and their types. Then first is a tRNA, that is in the cytoplasm. A ribosome attaches to the mRNA and translates its message into polypeptide. The process is aided by the tRNA. Then ribosome, made of RNA and protein, submit from 3D group. Then fourth one is the amino acid. There are 20 amino acids, each with a basic structure. Amino acid held together by peptides. Thank you.